If you're growing squashes and pumpkins, and like me, you're training them up some kind of vertical support, it's important to keep tying them in, not least because any lateral growth touching the soil will put down roots. And be sure to tie them really securely, because by autumn, they're going to be heavy. At this time of year, especially when it's hot and dry, sweet peas are rapidly going to seed, and the best way to stop that is to keep picking. And if you're going away on holiday, it's doubly important. So before you leave, pick every single flower and give them away. And if you're going to be away for more than a week, ask somebody to come in so they can pick the flowers and enjoy them. And this will mean that when you return from your holiday, you'll have plenty more flowers to come. One of the reasons that we grow vegetables in rows is because that makes them easier to hoe, and hoeing is the best way to keep on top of weeds in the veg garden. Use a sharp hoe. I sharpen mine with a whetstone or a file, and then just slide it along under the surface of the soil, cutting off the weeds at their roots. Do it on a dry day, so the weeds will then wither on the surface and they can be gathered up and taken to the compost heap.